I remember the first time I set up a resin printer years ago and waited 12 hours for a simple prototype. Last week, I loaded a complex engine manifold design into the Formlabs Form 4, and it was sitting on the build plate before I finished my second cup of coffee. The sheer speed of this machine caught me off guard because it completely changes how I approach a workday. I no longer have to plan my entire schedule around a single print cycle. Instead, I found myself iterating 3 or 4 times in a single afternoon, which is a level of productivity I honestly did not think was possible for a desktop unit. Design and build quality. The moment I pulled the Form 4 out of its box, I noticed the familiar orange UV hood, but the machine feels much more substantial than its predecessors. It weighs about 18 kilograms and sits firmly on the workbench with zero wobble during high-speed movements. The build volume has increased by 30% compared to the Form 3, which gave me the extra room I needed for larger industrial brackets. Everything from the sturdy metal frame to the responsive 7-inch touchscreen feels premium and professional. It does not feel like a hobbyist tool, but rather a piece of serious lab equipment designed to run around the clock. Key features in action. The real magic happens with the new low-force display engine. Unlike the older laser-based systems that trace every line, this unit uses a powerful LED backlight to cure entire layers at once. I was particularly impressed by the new resin handling system that fills the tank 5 to 10 times faster than before. I also tested the Z-axis force sensor, which automatically adjusts the print speed based on the geometry of the part. This meant that when I printed delicate, thin-walled structures, the printer slowed down just enough to preserve the detail without me having to manually tweak any complicated settings in the software. Performance and daily reality. In my daily testing, the Form 4 hit speeds of nearly 100 millimeters per hour with the fast model resin. I successfully printed a batch of 10 dental models in under 20 minutes, which is a staggering improvement over previous generations. The reliability is where it truly shines, because I encountered 0 failures across 30 consecutive prints. The surface finish is remarkably smooth, and even though the technical pixel size is 50 microns, the software uses clever anti-aliasing that makes the layers almost invisible to the naked eye. It creates parts that look and feel like they were injection molded rather than printed in a garage. Limitations and trade-offs. While the performance is top tier, there are some real-world frustrations to consider before you dive in. The machine is still a resin printer at heart, which means you're dealing with sticky liquids and the constant need for isopropyl alcohol washes. I found the lack of a built-in carbon filtration system disappointing, because the fumes can become quite noticeable in a small office without dedicated ventilation. Additionally, the move to a 50-micron XY resolution is technically a step back from the 25 microns on the Form 3, and it might bother those doing ultra-fine jewelry work despite the software improvements. You should also be aware that the open material mode requires an additional license fee, which might feel like a barrier if you prefer using third-party resins without extra costs. Final verdict. The Formlabs Form 4 is a powerhouse for anyone who treats 3D printing as a business rather than a hobby. You should buy this machine if you are an engineer or a designer who needs functional prototypes in hours rather than days, and you value a seamless ecosystem that just works. It's the perfect choice for professional environments where reliability and throughput are worth the $4,500 price tag. You should skip this printer if you're a hobbyist on a budget, or if your work requires the absolute highest resolution for tiny figurines where speed is not a priority. For the professional user, this is the most capable desktop resin printer I have tested to date.